Hello everyone, Prince here from Prism Eye Care. Ray-Ban has launched do-it-yourself concept. So we at Prism Eye Care offering all our customers to customize and design their own Ray-Ban and Oakleys. So let me take you through a simple process on what do I mean by do-it-yourself. So here is the website wherein you can customize both your Ray-Ban and Oakleys. So let me start. Just say customize your Ray-Ban. And here you can choose the Ray-Ban you want to customize. For an example, I choose here one of the Wayfarer models just to show you an example on how do we do it. So here I am choosing a Ray-Ban Wayfarer model to customize for my own. First you choose the model wherein you can choose your size. So this is the size what I want to select. Here they have 50 size which I am selecting here and I am okay with that size. Then you can choose the lens color you want to choose. Here are the options. You have classic, that is solid tints. Second, you have gradient tints wherein it is light to dark, and you also have polarized tints. So as of now I am going with polarized color and in that gradient rose tint. So this is the lens I want. Now the front part of the frame, we can choose the color. The front I want it to be, say if you want blue, you can see how the blue will look. You can go with black, that's a classic color, or you can go with green to be more stylish. But I am more okay with blue, so let me go with blue for the front part. Now you can choose the temple color on the sides, whether you want it to be brown, green, black. So there's the green, gray or white. I think I would go with white, that looks good. So this is how your sunglasses is going to look. So this is, and you can also engrave. The reason I chose white is the engraving will look good. Supposing you're gifting someone, you can engrave it, engrave their name, their date when you want to gift it. So I don't want to do this here. I want to do it external left. I want to write, say I am gifting it to Kamlesh. I write his name here and I say okay. So you see the Kamlesh is printed here. And you can go with the engraving on the case also. Here you can choose the case color as well. That's black, brown and red. Place an order for it. It generally takes 15 to 20 days to deliver once it's ordered because it's made in Italy and then shipped to India. So that's all about Ray-Ban do-it-yourself. So from now on you can customize your own Ray-Bans and Oakleys to whatever your liking is. So to get hold on it, contact us. We'll share you the link. You can also choose it from your place, customize it and then place an order to us. Thank you.